Dr. Prakirti. I finished my MS Gynecology in the year 2020 and I joined IIRFT in October 2022. I got to know about this center, Dr. Rita Bakshi ma'am, from one of my friends. She had a really nice experience getting trained under her as a fellow. She had joined here as a 6 months fellow. She was the one who suggested me to join this center, especially if I would like to get trained in ART. So, coming to Dr. Rita Bakshi ma'am, she's really skilled and she's really knowledgeable, and her clinical skills are really good. They're wonderful. And coming to the training that we got under her, we were really lucky to be trained under her. She has taken a lot of lectures for us, and also the OT experience, the clinical exposure that we had here in terms of cases, even they were really good. We as fellows have been given chance to do mock embryo transfers, ovum pickups. So that has really improved our OT skills also, because as far as the OT procedures are concerned, we got to know that other centers in Delhi, we don't get such opportunities that we get here at RISA IVF. So that was one of the very important reasons for me to select this center for pursuing my IVF fellowship. Also, coming to the entire team here, everyone, my fellow colleagues, the other consultants, and the other staff members, the embryology team, everyone is really good and cooperative. I would definitely recommend others, my friends who are considering, who are thinking of doing fellowship in IVF, you should definitely think about this center. I'm sure you'll never regret. And I would, in the end, like to thank Rita ma'am for guiding me, for training me, and for helping me become a better individual. I'm sure I'll be able to pursue a good career in IVF after getting trained under her. And also, I'd like to thank the entire team at RISA IVF. Thank you so much.